Yo, what's up? So we're here now sa Clark International Speedway with Nissan Festival. Thank you. So what tayong giveaway? Team, meron tayong giveaway. Hindi natin kung ano makukuha ni Jacob. Gusto mo? Nissan Tomica. Fair Lady Z.
Paka ng 2 beses.
Kita ko na oh. Tomica, Z. Fair Lady Z. Ano pa? Price natin. Z. Patay ng price natin. You know. Tayong giveaway Z. Let's go. Wait lang. Ay, ito yung idol ko. Papi. What's up?
Hello. 1 year in the making, and
You
it's
know?
now finally here.
Likewise,
GTR.
Evan. The idea was first shared with us.
At Liluday.
GTR.
And that's because for the way
Oh,
Quix
tayo
is a
ng
real
tropa.
Nissan fan.
Merong program eh.
So,
Pero
for
ito
those who
yung
know Quix or
GTR.
don't know him yet, when he creates his creations, he is in Indonesia for the Jakarta Toy Fair. But he's very excited.
Grabe,
to be here.
oh.
So you guys know the game.
Daming tao.
As I said earlier, he makes creations, changing it to tech 20.
So hanap muna tayo ng mga tropa. Andun daw sila sa dulo. So puntahan muna natin yung mga tropa natin. Let's go. So sabi ng isang tropa na meron daw parade. Kaso bawal daw ng companion. Pero try natin. Gusto ko sanang sumakay ng sakyan tapos doon sasama ka sa truck. Jo, ang layo ko na pa. Kala ko nandun kayo eh. So sayang, hindi pwedeng sumakay. Hindi pwedeng sumama dun. Next time na lang, next time. So, ayan, nakapila na sila para mag-parade. Na sila mga boss.
Kanya starting eh. Tatabi lang sa
Josh, pagkat naman ilang flat ba yan available dyan sa Marinitas parking?
FBI ba yan? FBI? FBI po ba yan? Pag FBI po, negative na po tayo.
kailangan helmet.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to invite all of our guests to please occupy.
Joe, nanalo ng busina. Nice, Joe. Hi. Say hi.
Ladies and gentlemen, we continue our celebration of innovation, performance, and the people will bring Nissan to
The brand forward. Please give a warm Nissan Festival welcome to Hiroshi Tamura-san.
Magandang hapon po. Kamusta po kayo? So no, for this is a speech note. First, I have to say so. But more important for me, how I can engage with you. That's for original imprinting of young kids Hiroshi Tamura was thinking about them. Therefore, yeah,
Nakastabi ni Kuya.
yeah. I call Wanga because Wanga is one of the interesting stories. You know, Wanga is the Tokyo Bayside Life.
Sitting down with us and speaking to us, Tamura-san, and of course for your time and for being here with us.
Thank you.
Alright, so we now move into the photo opportunity and autograph signing.
So, papasahin tayo. Kay Tamura. Ito natin itong ating GTR na Polo. GTR Nismo. Let's go. Yo, what's up? Arigatou gozaimasu. What's your price? Ano yung price, grand price mo? GTR? Ayun na. So magte-test drive tayo ng Nissan Kicks electric vehicle. Kasama natin to Jacob. Dapat ikaw na lang nag-drive eh. Ayang eh. Dito, yan, dyan daw.
Hindi pwede ganyan.
Hindi daw pwede, wala daw GTR na available.
Hindi yan.
Hindi daw. Tara, test drive tayo. Malapit na tayo. Ayun, naka-ready na yung kotse natin. Nissan Kicks. Test drive natin to. Ayan o. Ayan o, Nissan Kicks. So, test drive muna natin tong Nissan Kicks. Yan. Dito na. So, lalabas tayo. Yun no. Malamig pala talaga tong Nissan na to ha. Boss, sama ka na namin sa Antipolo.
Hybrid po.
Hybrid.
Kano yung RP nito?
Sa artisan, hindi namin alam siya. Kasi yung,
Lakas din yun eh.
ano po, kano.
Lakas.
Lakas din eh.
Lakas din.
May turbo kaya to?
Well, yung Almera yata yung may turbo yun.
Sino? Sino mga 1.8 makina nito?
Lakas din. May battery. Kumakarga nga yung battery pag gumugulong yung gulong ko, Ray. Sarap talaga. nakapag-drive na tayo ng... Okay na po, sir. Apa po, sir. Ayun na. Thank you, kuya. Ayan. Thank you, kuya. Ayaw, gusto pa yatang iuwi ko yan, ha. Ayan, thank you, boss. So, nakapag-test drive na tayo ng Nissan Kicks. Tapos nakakuha tayo ng payong. So, ayos din. Ang lakas. Ang lakas ang base. Ano siya? Hybrid. Sarap. Let's go. So, ngayon, kukuha tayo ng food. Since tapos na tayo mag-test drive. And meron tayong stub ng food. Snacks. So, kuha tayo doon sa snacks. Kuha tayo ng food natin. So, as of the moment, sulit yung punta natin dito sa Nissan Festival. Dahil wala kang gagastusin dito, lahat sagot ni Nissan. Ito mo, breakfast, lunch, saka snacks, sagot ni Nissan. Then, may mga raffle. Yan. Tapos meron ka pang, pwede ka pa mag-test drive. Nissan Patrol, Nissan Kicks, Nissan Almera. Kung naman yung available na pwede na ipa-test drive sa'yo, pwede mong gamitin. Tapos, may mga boots pa na pwede mong kuha na ng free merch. Ay keychain. Then, ayun. Then, sulit dahil nandito rin yung mga sakyan na maganda. Which is Nissan, lahat ng Nissan cars. Mapaluma, hanggang bago. Makikita mo lahat dito. So, let's go.